I'm Chris Groot, General Manager for Enable Backup, saying hello from the city of Calgary in Canada. And today is my favorite day of the year. It's World Backup Day. So I'd like to thank you for attending today's event. I'd like to thank Agi for being such great partners and hosting this event. Luis, Rodrigo, and your team, we love your enthusiasm. We love your insights. Now, on this being World Backup Day, we are declaring that the only good backup is an offsite backup, a backup that is disconnected from either your network or from your customer's network. And why is that? Well, the number one risk business leaders are worried about is ransomware. And in 2021, 37% of businesses were impacted by ransomware. The attackers, as part of their approach now, are specifically targeting local backup applications and local backup storage to ensure that the ransom gets paid. So our conclusion is that anything on the local network is at risk. Just while I've got you for a couple minutes, there's three insights I'd like to share. The first, of course, as mentioned, is that Enable Backup will ensure that your customers can recover in the case of ransomware. And also, of course, from other types of data loss or hardware failures or site losses. We are a cloud-first backup solution, meaning that you don't require any local storage or like traditional backup products. The secret to making this possible is our True Delta technology. We're 50 times more efficient than local image-based solutions, meaning if you have an incremental backup with an image-based solution that's 50 gigs, that same backup with Enable will be just 1 gig, which means you don't need to worry about bandwidth. It's no problem. Once you test it, if you have concerns, I am confident we can change your mind. Now, the important part is that labor, this is point number 2, labor is your biggest expense as a service provider. And the best way that we can help you is to reduce your time spent on backups. Our cloud-first architecture means that you save time, and our customers tell us that it's giving them back up to 90% of the time that they spend on backup. So imagine from 40 hours per month down to 4, or from 95 tickets per day down to 9. That's the type of feedback we're getting. All you need to do is deploy agents. We host the storage. We provide policy-driven automation. We host the management console for you. So that is how that architecture really helps you save time and improve your profitability as a service provider. The third point that I want to leave you with is that we will continue to invest. We will continue to provide you with secure, scalable, cost-effective backup solution for protecting Microsoft 365, Exchange, OneDrive, and SharePoint, as well as all your servers, whether they're Linux or Windows, and workstations, both Windows and Mac. And this means that you, in turn, can deliver the very best to your customers. Now, finally, in closing, I want you to know that Brazil is a meaningful market to us, and we are very encouraged by the growth that we see. We've invested in a data center, and we've invested in storage located in Brazil, specifically to help you be successful. It means that your data always stays in Brazil. This gives you not only the lowest latency, but for business leaders, often it's much more attractive to know that the data is staying in Brazil than being sent off to the US or somewhere else. So, with all that said, I'm out of time. Thank you for everything you do. There's much more I'd love to share, but the most important thing to know is that Enable, and specifically Enable Backup, is committed to helping you find success in Brazil. So thank you to Agi for your ongoing support. I wish you all the best today. Stay safe and take care.